YouTube family. Oh my gosh, you guys. Thank you for all the amazing comments on my part 2 of my Hermes boxing and the giveaway. Again, the red and black special order will be drawn January 2nd. For all the other items, the raffle will end January 10th. You guys have to be subscribed, like and comment. Only if you really care. If you don't like me, don't join in. If you don't like my content, don't join in the giveaway. Just do your own thing. This is only for people that truly like me. I'm not begging no one to like me. My account is private. I'm not like all these other YouTubers that are so thirsty to have attention and likes and views and all this kind of stuff, sweetie. My account is private for only people that want to be a part of the family. Only people that want to be a part of the family. I want you guys to join my Insta family, join this Drew's Views family on YouTube, like and subscribe. And yeah, message me in the DMs and say that you want to be entered. Now, just like I showed in my video, the people that had already got in contact with my associate, I kept their information private. I didn't let them show their faces because I don't want these evil people that are part of this Hermes cult, this Hermes cult community that like to just attack people that are doing better than them or just happy or blessed or just positive people, and they try to make them negative. I kept their stuff private. When I draw the names, of the winners, I will ask them, is it okay if I put their name out or if I keep it private? That is their right to contain their privacy because they're not putting themselves out there on the internet. So if you have a problem with me keeping my, if you have a problem with the way I do my giveaways, then do your own giveaway. Make your own video, get your own family, and do your giveaway how you want to do your giveaway. So I will draw the names out on my Instagram. I will pull the name out of the jars of the winners and show the products. And I will DM them privately and ask them, is it okay if I put their name up there? If they choose to remain private, that is up to them. Just like the people that have ordered from my associate that did not want their faces, or I actually requested them not to put their faces in there and I didn't put their Instagram. I like to keep things private because guess what? There are a lot of haters out there that will come after you because I do something for you, that will come after you. Also, because so many of you guys have been ordering from my associate, I was actually surprised how so many of you guys are putting in orders. I'm glad I'm saving you guys a whole bunch of money. I'm saving you guys a whole bunch of time. I'm saving you guys a whole bunch of hassle. And what's so cool is when you guys actually ask me, should I do this color with this color? Should I get this bag with this and da-da-da-da-da? And should I get this? Like, the fact that you guys are asking me to help you in placing your orders or picking out styles, do you know what that means so much? Because guess what? Whenever you look at your bag, you're going to be like, wow, Drew. So forever that you have your bag for the rest of your life, I'm going to be etched in your mind, and it's going to be a thing that we have between us. And I'm so glad to have that. Like, my boos care about me. Like, they actually are going to have me with them in the, I don't know, they're just going to have me when they walk around with their bag. It's the same thing like with my grandfather's shirt. My grandfather's shirt that I put in my video, like, to know that I have my grandfather with me, I feel that same thing to know that I'm helping you guys pick your things, and I'm basically going to be with you guys whenever you guys carry it. So, I will be doing a what leathers to buy, what leathers not to buy video on YouTube, so you guys know, and I can go into detail because guess what? I have exotic skins. I've had the regular leathers. So if anyone's gonna be qualified to tell you what skin is gonna be durable, last better throughout the weather, what leather is scratch resistant, what leather is prone to patina and not patina, I'm the one to help you with that. So yes, you guys, I will do that video. But now I just want to do a quick little what I got for Christmas. So you guys, I treated myself to 3 things this Christmas. And these are things that I've never really owned before. So I'm just gonna get into it. Basically, this is the last Louis Vuitton bag that I've ever bought. But this bag I actually did buy for my mom. Louis Vuitton kind of had lost its like pizzazz for me. I just felt their bags became really basic. And then it's like, you know, I liked more Chanel because Chanel is just more timeless and classic, and they do hold their value very well. So I started buying more Chanel, started buying more Hermes, which I will never buy from Hermes ever again. You guys know why. I will only buy from my associate and save myself all that money, all that time, and all that hassle. You guys, those of you that have already put in your orders and that have already been ordering and buying, you already know. So I kind of like was off Louis Vuitton for a little bit. Let me tell you, this is where I keep some of my older receipts. So you guys, yes, I have been a huge Louis Vuitton collector, but like I said, this was the last piece that I ever bought from the 2011, 2010 fall autumn collection runway bag for my mom. I've always wanted a cool piece that was going to be timeless and was going to be just iconic. And I have to tell you, this bag that I got was my dream bag. I've always wanted a trunk, a Louis Vuitton trunk, but I could never justify paying $14,000 plus for a trunk because I don't fly private all the time. I probably have flown private 3 times. I would never check in a $14,000 piece of luggage that's so vulnerable and so exposed to people. But I've always been fascinated by the trunks. And when I walked into the store and saw this bag, I was like, oh my gosh, my dream bag, because it is now into a trunk form. You guys, shop at South Coast Plaza Louis Vuitton. Those ladies, I know if you guys are subscribed to this channel, you ladies at South Coast Plaza Louis Vuitton, y'all go give them the commission. They deserve every penny of it. Those ladies work extremely hard to get you exactly what you want. So if you guys are gonna buy Louis Vuitton, please go to South Coast because the sales tax is cheaper. In Beverly Hills, it's about 10%. In Orange County, South Coast Plaza, it's 7.45%. So if you're buying a big ticket item, you could save hundreds of dollars. But I did not buy it at the South Coast store because they're all sold out. They were all gone. And then I talked to someone else that I really worked with a lot at a Louis Vuitton store in Beverly Hills, and they actually got me the bag. But I wish I could have got it in South Coast Plaza. I should have. But anyways, let me just show you the bag. You guys, I got this beautiful Louis Vuitton soft trunk. I know there is a monogrammed Louis Vuitton trunk with the black corners and the black strap and the orange. To me, I just felt that was too trendy. And when I make a big purchase, I don't like to buy things that are trendy. I like to have things that are classic. So when I wear it, you're not like, ooh, you have that old bag from such and such time ago. It's like, wow, that bag is still cool, it's still in style. So to me, this one with the classic vintage looking brass, I was like, this is just perfect for, you know, that type of bag that I was going for. You guys, this bag is absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. And when I go traveling in Europe, this will be my sightseeing bag, just because I'm gonna put my phone in to vlog and take pictures, put like my euros, put in my, what else would I put in here? Put in my power bank for my phone, you know, whatever little things that you want when you travel and want to go sightsee, little candies and mints. This will be that bag. And to me, this is great because, you know, Europe is known for pickpocketers. So you can have your zipper close here, and then have your zipper close here. So when they send those little children to come pickpocket you, like, oh, sir. And they start grabbing your bag and grabbing on you, you just put your hand over your bag like this. And honey, there's no access. And also just keep it in front of you so you have pretty much total access to the bag and visibility to the bag. So I felt this bag was gonna be perfect for traveling, sightseeing, perfect for quick little shopping things, whatever it is. It's a neutral tone, so do anything. So I did get this Louis Vuitton soft trunk, and I am obsessed because I like that you can adjust the strap. So you can definitely make it shorter, you know, to have it a little bit tighter, a little bit closer. So I definitely like that about the strap. If you guys want a what fits in the Louis Vuitton soft trunk, I will definitely do a video for that. Next, what I want to show you guys is a piece that I've already had in my collection, but I decided to sell it just because it is a pouch and I'm not used to pouches. I like either a handle or a strap. I'm not used to just like having a pouch. I just feel like I'm just scared I would lose it because I'm just so used to having a strap, and it's like more carefree that I don't need to really be holding it. But this one, you really gotta hold it. And if you sit down, you might forget about it. Also the weight of it, I'm just like, I don't know. I bought this piece before. I sold it, then totally regretted that I didn't keep it because it would go with a poncho that you guys have already seen. And I've never owned a Fendi bag in my entire life. I've never owned a Fendi bag. The first Fendi piece I've ever bought was some sunglasses, like 3 sunglasses. And then my first piece of clothing was my Fendi poncho. And my first bag was this piece right here. So here we have this beautiful Fendi men's pouch. It is made out of leather, and the Fendi F's are hand painted onto the pouch. I thought this pouch was so cute because it is leather. I am a leather person because I just feel leather is more durable than canvas. And I feel that for $1,000, close to $1,000, I would rather my piece be leather. I think it has a beautiful shine to it. Men or women can rock it. And as you know, if you saw my unboxing, I like to teach men and women how to style stuff. I will show you guys in the future how to style things, male and female. Balling on a budget, honey. So yeah, I really like this Fendi piece. I bought it for myself again for Christmas. I had sold it. Now it's back, and I doubt that I'm ever gonna get rid of it. I've always wanted a Fendi Peekaboo since 2009, I wanna say. Or 2010 when but there's something about them that is like, I don't know. And I was always looking for the bigger ones. And I was like, oh, I might as well just get an Hermes Kelly because Kellys are what they're trying to emulate or whatever. And I was scrolling through Instagram and I was looking at people that went to the Nicki Minaj launch and like the whole Nicki Minaj stuff. I'm not sure if this bag is a part of the Nicki Minaj collection, but I know it came out around the same time as the Nicki Minaj collection. And I saw this Fendi bag and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to have this bag. This is my brand new, I bought myself for Christmas, mini peekaboo, which I think is so gorgeous. It is sequins. It is all leather. It is leather on the exterior and it is leather in the interior. I just think it's amazing that they're able to put this sequence on top of leather. Normally you find sequins on fabric. So to be able to have, you know, the craftsman and the workmanship to be able to sequence leather, to put sequins on top of leather and the durability of a thick needle and all kind of stuff, I just think that is so amazing. So you guys, I got this beautiful Fendi peekaboo. That was gonna go so much. If you guys want to see a video on how to style this, I would definitely do a video on how to style this, male or female. that is what I got myself for Christmas. My first ever Fendi Peekaboo. And I feel like this is the perfect peekaboo ever because one, even if you don't know, like if you were to get a regular leather one, you don't know that it's Fendi, you actually see the Fendi with this beautiful sequence. Only thing I don't like about this bag is that it does not have feet. But what I do love about the bag is that it does come with a strap. I love a strap, I love a strap, I love a strap. That's why I'm more of a Kelly person now than I am a Birkin because Birkins get heavy as hell. Even if you have a 25, they get heavy as hell. These items here are what I got for Christmas. Thank you guys for watching. There's so much more amazing content to come. If you guys want to see anything that I haven't thought of, please comment down below. Thank you guys for joining the family. Remember, enter the giveaway by the 10th. You guys, because that's when it closed. That's for everybody. The one that closed on the 2nd is already for the 156 people that I've chosen, and no more than 156 people because those people have been a part of this channel from day one, been supporting me, and been watching my content. So it's not fair that I give out something so rare and so precious to people that haven't really been there as long. I hope you guys had an amazing 2019. We're gonna bring in the new year and be more progressive, productive, prosperous, loved, all that. I'm speaking nothing but positivity into everyone's life. I hope everyone that is watching this enjoys the last few days of 2019. Spend it with people you love and bring it in with people you love. You guys, I'm so thankful for all the comments. I'm so thankful for all the love and support. And as you guys know, I reply to every comment because I'm not here to be a YouTube star, a YouTube celebrity, or all this other stuff. And I'm not even an influencer. The true influence, down. I'm not even an influencer. The true influencers are the people in the comments, the people that tell us what they want to see. You're the one who's doing the influencing because all the content from everybody, from any big YouTuber, all the content comes from you guys because you guys tell them what you guys want to see. So don't even call me an influencer. You guys are the influencers. We bleed, we poop, we urinate, we perspire. We all can get cheated on. We all can get scammed. We all can be loved. We all can be supported. All that, no matter what economic status you are, we are humans. Okay, so let's cut that whole superiority bullcrap and throw in the trash. You guys always feel free to talk to me. Again, you guys, please like and subscribe. I love you and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one.